Good morning. I'm Professor G.K. Vishwanath. I'm dealing with the subject hydraulics and hydraulic machinery. So, this subject is very useful for second year civil engineering students. The students who are, we have already studied the subject of fluid mechanics, like fluid flow principles, kinematics, types of flows, continuity, Bernoulli's, and momentum equation, and various flows through pipes. They must already study at fluid mechanics. So this is the prerequisite for the course. The course will be highly useful for the civil engineering students to understand about the movement of water in the canals, rivers, known as channels. So this open channel, how to analyze this open channel, and what are the various dimension analysis techniques that can be used for analyzing the problems of fluid flow. Then making use of the energy of water, hydraulic turbines, the power generation can be taken up. So hydraulic turbines, the fundamentals in the form of impact of jets, followed by the centrifugal pumps will be studied in this subject. This will be very useful to the second year civil engineering students. So the total entire topic of hydraulics and hydraulic machinery has been divided into 5 units. The first unit will be basically dealing with the open channel flows, types of flows, then what are the various correction factors for it, followed by the critical flow, uniform flow, non-uniform flow will be studied. Then damage analysis is another good technique to analyze many of the problems which cannot be easily solved by the conventional methods. So in the second unit, we deal with the dimensional analysis, basically with the two methods like Raleigh's method and the Buckingham pi method. Making use of these methods, how the similarity can be achieved between the model and the prototype will be studied. Like model prototype relations can be studied. In the third unit, we'll be dealing with the basics of the hydraulic machines known as the turbo machines. So when a impact of jet that occurs on a surface, maybe a stationary surface or a moving surface, maybe a flat surface or an inclined surface or a curved vein. So we try to identify and estimate the forces making use of the momentum principles. Then the hydraulic turbines which make use of the energy of water. So how a hydroelectric power station is installed, what are the various components, how the turbines, types of turbines, their design will be studied in the fourth unit. In the last unit, we make use of the energy of water, like centrifugal pump, how to generate more energy for the water, thereby the water can be lifted from low level to high level. Various types of pumps are there. We study and compare the advantages, disadvantages of various types of pumps. More particularly, the centrifugal pump would be concentrated starting from its design, how a centrifugal pump can be designed, and what is the manometric head, how the efficiency can be added and how to improve the efficiency, and how to test a model pump in the laboratory also will be studied with respect to the characteristic curves. This is all about the subject that we study in these 4 or 5 units, and I wish this subject would be very attractive to the students of second year civil engineering. Thank you very much.